Today, I'll be reviewing the cheapest mechanical gaming keyboard I could purchase off Amazon and figure out if it's really worth buying. Really quickly, I'll go over the feel of the switches and the keyboard itself, then go straight to the typing test. Just a reminder, the price of these keyboards change, so at the time you're watching, they may be more expensive. Included in the box is a user manual, 2 keycap removers, and 5 extra switches. The keyboard itself has 108 keys. The listing said it was TKL, so it said it had 87, but this is what I received. The keyboard came with the newer Otemo Blue switches, which most budget mechanical keyboards have. They require 80 grams of activation force and are very loud and clicky. The keyboard is composed mainly of plastic, but still has a nice weight to it. The bottom of the keyboard has a slight RGB underglow, while the keys just have a single white color. There are also 2 rubber feet on the bottom, which is nice to have. Lastly, here's a quick demo of how the keys sound. Honestly, I think these keyboards are a really good introduction into mechanical keyboards. If you just want to have a mechanical keyboard, then I think these are a really good buy. That was pretty much it for this short review. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.